Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about installing asciinema. Asciinema is used for recording your terminal operations and then sharing them with anybody or everybody you'd like to. We're also going to install Glances, which is monitoring your system in the terminal. Just another program similar to ATOP, TOP, HTOP, and NetATOP. Glances is kind of fun. So let's get started with installing asciinema first. So for anybody that would like to download and read about asciinema, it is at the following web address, asciinema.org. So give a visit to them, see how things are going. If you like it, go ahead and install it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is install asciinema so that we can record our terminal. So let's get going. What we'll do first is enter the command that we're going to need to install asciinema. Now once that's installed, make sure you've got the latest version, so you want to check 2.0.1. It never hurts to do an update. And it'd be nice if I could type. Alright, so we've got that done. Now what we want to do is actually start asciinema and record our terminal session and subsequently upload it to our asciinema website. So we'll type in asciinema record, give it a title, and get going. So here we go. Now we're going. Now I've given the screen fetch information so that people can make a reference, just so they can see what type of system I'm running. And they can reference that while they're going to install any programs. They can see how well it works on my system, just as a go back. Alright, so we're recording right now. Let's go ahead and get Glances. Okay, Glances is in, so let's take a look at what Glances actually does. And there you go. As you can see, it looks very similar to ATOP and HTOP. It's got some useful information displayed in a I think a prettier way. It's got its highlights so you can see things quickly. Versus looking at ATOP or HTOP, which has everything just displayed across the very top of the screen. Really hard to decipher the information. This is spaced out much nicer. I really like this. So once Glances is done, when you're done with that, just to end it, you can hit Control-C, which ends the session, or you can leave it running if you like. Now, since we're done recording our terminal, we can also hit Control-D to end our recording. And then of course we're going to upload it by pressing enter, and then it will go to the website. So first of all, the website looks like, well, the website looks like this. This is asciinema.org, and if you create a profile, we'll refresh, and there's the recording that we just did. Click on it and you can watch the video. Of course, you can't hear anything. The only drawback to this program is it only records terminal. It doesn't record any video or audio. And obviously I was talking quite a bit before it got going. Skip up here. And there you go. You can see the recording of our session. I'm not going to let that finish. We'll just stop there. That's all there is to that. And installing asciinema and glances. Hope you enjoyed the video.